Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to be getting the Liberty out and we're going to be cleaning up the gearbox and diff. First we need to move the Forester out into the driveway. Right, let's start her up. Nice. Let it warm up for a little bit. Alright, so it's the last drive till it gets a manual swap. From there into there will be its last drive. Alright, everything's cleaned up around the Liberty. It's going to be a lot lighter, so should be able to push it. The exhaust is fine like that. Hopefully the wheel bearings are alright with no shafts in there, but we're just going from here to there, so it should be okay. I'll put you on the tripod and see if I can do this by myself. That was hard work, but pretty easy. No gearbox, no engine, made it a lot easier. I only have to get into here a few times, but I'll cover up that hole so nothing comes in here. Alright, time to clean up the gearbox. I'm going to get the engine crane out, put the legs on it and lift it up and bring it forward, and we'll degrease it and everything here and give it a good clean. Alright, just prep it for a wash. We're going to take these O2 sensors wiring loom off, block up the rear there and the front, and then we'll get the brush out with some degreaser first. Give it a quick wash down. Alright, got that loom off. Unfortunately I can't get the brackets off with it just hanging there. I need it to be bolted to something to get them off. So I'll just clean them up. Up here as well. Part of the bracket for, I think that's reverse and something else. I'll have to work that out too. We've got the earth there. Let's plug up the holes and we'll start cleaning. Alright, so we just got a rag in here, it goes over to the other side as well. So once we've cleaned everything down, we'll take them out and do the bottom section and clean it up. But yeah, let's start cleaning. Alright, we've cleaned up the right hand side pretty well. We're going to go to the left side, which is the dirty side. And we need to clean that up. I'm having second thoughts about painting this. Maybe I'll just clean it up. Alright, we've got the 6-speed over in the corner now. All cleaned up. I think it's come up alright. I don't think I'm going to paint it. Let's go have a look at the diff. I think the diff needs a good clean too. And maybe a black paint. I'll clean that up and see how it turns out. Alright, I've cleaned up the diff, the rear housing section. I didn't know it was that colour, but it is. I'm happy with that for now. So that won't get painted. So tomorrow I am going to clean up the Forester. So after work I'll bring it back out here, give it a good wash, then bring it in. Alright guys, it's time to bring the fuzz out into the backyard, give it a wash and bring it in ready to dismantle. So we'll just do a quick wash. Alright, she's pretty dirty. I'm not actually going to show you washing it. I've seen it so many times. It's just bad. Those wheels are going to go. So we need the bigger ones for the bigger brakes. Alright, let's give her a wash and get her in. Alright, it's the last start up as an auto. Alright guys, this is pretty much where everybody that's doing a 6-speed swap would start off. And if you're doing a auto to a manual conversion. So, hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below anything you are not sure about and I'll try to help you out.